Hi everyone, it's John and welcome to Jam Life.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby.
Hi and welcome back to Jam Life. Today I took a GoPro Hero 7 Black down to Sydney Harbour. I'm going to do a review, tips and tricks video on this little marvel on the weekend. But for now, have a look at the awesome footage from this camera.
Hey everyone, if you really enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Yeah.